Get ready to witness the future, because it's arriving faster than you think. Forget traffic jams, forget long commutes, forget the limitations of the ground. We are on the verge of a transportation revolution, one that will take us to the skies. Imagine this. You wake up, grab your coffee, and instead of heading down to a garage, you head up to your building's rooftop. There, waiting for you, is your personal aerial vehicle, a sleek, silent passenger drone. You step inside, speak your destination, and in moments, you're lifting off, gliding effortlessly between shimmering skyscrapers. This isn't science fiction. This is the future of urban mobility. Engineers and visionaries across the globe are working tirelessly to turn this dream into a reality. I'm talking about electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicles, or EVTOLs. These incredible machines combine the agility of a helicopter with the efficiency and quietness of an electric car. They represent a cleaner, faster, and smarter way to travel. Let's peek inside one of these marvels. The cockpit is a minimalist masterpiece. There's no complex array of buttons and levers. Instead, you'll find a stunning panoramic display and an intuitive interface. But here's the best part. You don't even need to be a pilot. These drones are fully autonomous, guided by advanced AI and a network of sensors that communicate with each other, ensuring a flight path that's not just fast, but incredibly safe. They can navigate complex cityscapes, avoid obstacles, and adjust to weather conditions in real time, all while you sit back, relax, and enjoy the breathtaking view. The infrastructure to support this new age of flight is already being designed. Picture our cities dotted with vertiports, high-tech landing and charging pads seamlessly integrated into the tops of office buildings, shopping malls, and residential towers. These hubs will form a new highway system in the sky, a connected network that makes crossing a sprawling metropolis as easy as crossing the street. A quick business meeting across town? A dinner reservation in a neighborhood that used to take an hour to reach? Now it's just a few minutes away. This technology will do more than just save us time. It will fundamentally reshape our cities and our lives. By moving a significant portion of traffic to the sky, we can reclaim our streets, turning them into green spaces, pedestrian zones, and community hubs. It's a vision of a less congested, less polluted, and more human-centric urban environment. Of course, there are challenges to overcome. We need robust regulations, airtight cybersecurity, and a public air traffic management system that can handle thousands of simultaneous flights. But the brightest minds in aerospace, AI, and urban planning are collaborating to solve these very issues. The momentum is unstoppable. The first certified passenger drones are expected to take flight within this decade. So the next time you look up at the sky, don't just see clouds and airplanes. Imagine a sky bustling with clean, quiet, and intelligent vehicles, carrying people to their destinations with unparalleled speed and efficiency. The age of the flying car is no longer a distant fantasy. It's the next giant leap for humanity, and it's happening right now. The future is looking up. Thanks for watching. If you're as excited about the future as we are, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more glimpses into the world of tomorrow. See you in the next one.